for silver and gold. Now, while we're in here, we use pickaxes, pry-bars, shovels, sometimes even dynamite if we're good. Now, we usually do all this when you're asleep. And about the time you get up to go to school or get ready for the day, my guys get ready to go home and go to bed. That's a little weird, isn't it? Now, after we blow all the walls apart, we pick up all the silver and gold, and we head home for the day. But what we don't realize, we're leaving behind gems and minerals. Now, as you can see, they are different shapes, sizes, and colors. So you really got to keep your eyes open. Now, they're all buried underneath these. Do you know what those are? They're rocks. Just little tiny rocks. Now, as you can see, they're all through this and they're throughout our mine. Now, while we're in here, I got some rules. First one, you gotta keep your shoes on, okay? Some of those rocks could be very sharp. Also, there's no chewing on candy. Do you have any candy? Nope, I'm out. Also, please do not run. I don't want you to trip and fall. Now, you know how a dog digs? How does he dig? Yep, how he digs like that? You're not going to dig like that, okay? I'll show you some ways how to dig when we get in here.